Now I am going to the personality development thoughts. So after seeing the sir, yes, finally I will tell you all the details. After that, after seeing this program, after seeing this one, what question is what are you feeling by seeing this one? Or what question is anything in your mind? How it is possible?
Yes.
Same question I asked me.
The question to us is, who is disabled? I think we are disabled. आज हमारे में कुछ कमी फील होती है दोस्तों, क्यों बोलिए? हाँ या ना? यार इसमें शर्माना है कि हम एक्सेप्ट करो कि हमें कुछ कमी है.
How it is possible का क्वेश्चन आपके मन में आ रहा है ना? सेम क्वेश्चन मुझे डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम और श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने पूछा है. So I want to memorize that moments. 15th of October 2004, I got an opportunity to meet Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji in Belgaum, and also 2 years back, 9th of May, I got an opportunity to meet Narendra Modi ji in Delhi Parliament House. So both they asked their date of birth. I told the exact day. Then they surprised me and they asked me one question is that how it is possible. I told them everything is possible, nothing is impossible. While saying these words, Kalamji has surprised a lot and he told me, you don't have eyesight, but you have ability to achieve something like this. Go ahead, God is always there with you. In future, you will become such a great person in this country. What he told on that day, within 1 month, I got a national award from him only. See, according to me, everyone should have each talent in each field. So many students are there in front of me. You are not dull. You all are talented. You have the ability to become as a IAS, KAS, doctor, engineering, whatever it may be. Everyone should have each talent in each field like art, sports, music, and so many things. So one thing I want to say that who calls you a dull, according to me they are dull. So you are very lucky to get a good quality of education here in the leadership of Dr. APJ, Dr. A.R.K. Pillai sir and also Narayan Iyer sir ji. So please and you can take direction and motivate under them. So do you know Shakuntala Devi? आपको शकुंतला देवी मालूम है ना? She known for human computer. See, this talent has came to me at the age of 8. Now I am 23 years old. Since from 16 years I am doing like this. On that period, I heard her name. I had taken a decision is that Shakuntala Devi has eyesight, but she has achieved a lot in mathematics. And why I can achieve like her? So she has inspired me a lot on that period. So till today, she is my role model. Someone is going further than us. You don't challenge them. You have to take inspiration and motivation. God is very brilliant because from by birth onwards, He hasn't given an opportunity to interact with you, but He has given an opportunity to interact with you. One thing I am feeling very proud and happy to say that whatever I achieved in my life, one of the main cause is that because of blindness only. If I got eyesight, this talent will not become. So God will give us one and He will take one from us. So negative points we have to convert into a positive point. This is my strategy. So who thinks always negative? I can't do anything. Who thinks always like negative? You can't come further in your life. I can do it. I'm able to achieve something like this. Who thinks always positive? Definitely you can achieve something like this. So tell me, do you think negative or positive?
Positive.
We have to think always we have been positive. In our life, because you are seeing this word now, that's why your mind is not constant.
Very true.
You are not seeing anything now, that's why it remains
We are
constant.
looking inward, we are not
Finally,
looking outward.
Finally, I will tell how to increase our memory power and concentration power, so many things. In our life, goal is very important. Without our goal, we can't achieve. So tell me, if we want to reach our goal, what we have to do? What we have to do? We have to put some effort, no? Effort is very important. Without our effort, we can't get success in our life. Practice makes man. I want to say a single line here about effort. Who puts 99% honest effort, definitely God is there with you. Who puts single percent effort, who believes on a God, you will not come further in your life. Last time I told you, you have ability and you have a talent like IAS, KS, doctor and engineering, so many things. If you want to achieve your goal in your field, you have to put 99% honest effort. God is always with you. So I want one honest answer from you, that your mind is constant or not? Please tell me. Who says yes, you are honest? Who says no, you are a double honest? Your mind is constant or not? Why? Can you tell anybody or shall I tell? This is the main point. According to me, our mind is not constant because of two main reasons are there. First point is that shortage of a concentration and lack of concentration. In our life, concentration is very important. So without concentration, we can't achieve something like this. If we want to increase our concentration, what we can do? What we have to do? We have to see a Big Boss. Or so many TV programs will help to increase concentration power. Then which one will help? Yoga and meditation. In our life, concentration is very important. If you want to increase the concentration, yoga and meditation, see, every day, my suggestion is that you have to do yoga and meditation for 1 hour. It's very difficult to do 1 hour, but at least you can do half an hour. I promise you, if you do yoga and meditation, within a 1 month, you will get some changes in your life. So by doing yoga and meditation, it will help to increase your concentration and memory power, and it will build your confidence level, and to get mental freedom, and also to control your mind. And second point is that we are moving to the modern technology. Do you have mobiles? Do you have mobiles? No. In Gurukula, mobile is not available. But in home, mobiles are there, no? Yes. Mobiles are necessary for you? No. Then why are you keeping the mobiles? Any SMS or any calls are coming? Dear students, these mobile and TV are diverting your concentration. So, Narendra Modi ji every day is saying that Swachh Bharat. In our life, cleanness is very important. So where we got a cleanness, God is there. So we have to give more focus on the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and also we have to maintain distance away from the mobile and TV. Finally, how many hours you will do study every day? How many hours you will do study every day? 4 hours, 5 hours? 4 hours? See, I want to give one new timetable for you, is that tomorrow morning you have to wake up early morning at 5 a.m. From 5 to 5:30 you have to finish your daily activities. From 5:30 to 6:30, you can do yoga and meditation. Early morning is better timing for doing yoga and meditation. From 6:30 to 8:30, you can do yoga, so you can do study. So if you want to achieve something like this, minimum you have to set 3 hours for your future. So you can follow this table. So you can follow this timetable and you can come further in your life. So finally, hard work, meditation and dedication will help to achieve something like this. So finally, I am feeling very happy and proud to interact with you. So thanks for giving me the opportunity to interact with you, Honorable Founder President of IDF, Dr. A.R.K. Pillai Sirji, and also dynamic CEO of this IDF, Dr. Narayan Iyer Sirji. So please give them a big round of applause. They are given the opportunity to interact with you. And also, honorable, respected chief guests are there on the stage, like our businessman Anil Murarkar Sirji, and also Vijay Madam, Batila sister, and another principal Madam, Dr. Lata Madam. So many dignitaries are there. So I am grateful, thankful to all of them. So before that, who has bringing me in Mumbai tomorrow at 11 a.m. we have a program at Shanmukhanand Hall. Our Chandrasekhar Patil Sirji is there. So he is also one of the great social worker, and also he is giving more encouragement to me in my life, and also he is my father equivalent. So I am grateful, thankful to Chandrakant Patil Sirji. So please give them a big round of applause. They are great opportunity to interact with you. So finally, all the teachers, all the volunteers, media people, and all my dear brothers and sisters, I am grateful and thankful to all of you. So finally, Narayan sir has told me to tell my introduction or about my personal life. I am Basuraj Shankar Umarani from Adni. Basically, I am blind. I completed my SSLC from first standard to SSLC at Belgaum Maheshwari Black School. From our classes, I got 90% of that SSLC exam, and also after that SSLC, we don't have a second college to study. So we have to depend upon your colleges. I completed my PUC in Adni at 85%, degree I got 86, and also recently I completed my B.Ed course. I got above 80% in all the semester exams. So basically, we are agriculture background family. My father is there, but since from 3 years, he is suffering from paralysis. So now he can't do anything, and also my mother is a housewife, and also I have one brother, but he is also lightly dumb and dumb. Now he is giving physical.
Trust me, इन्होंने आज प्रूव किया है कि डिसेबल्ड हम हैं, ये नहीं। मानते हो कि नहीं मानते हो दोस्तों? ये एक ताकत है। मैं बोलता हूँ ये नहीं, हम सब डिसेबल्ड हैं। आज हम सब जब तैयार होते हैं या सोचते हैं अपने बारे में, जैसे आज सुबह मैं जब तैयार हो रहा था, मुझे खुद को ये फील हुआ, यार काश मेरी थोड़ी हाइट ज़्यादा होती। तो कोई ना कोई कमी हमें सब में है दोस्तों। It's about looking at ourselves first, कि हमारे में क्या कमी है। पहले हम अपनी कमी को देखें, फिर दूसरे की कमी को बताएं। वो एक देश में बहुत बड़ी बात हो जाएगी। ये सीखना, ये समझना, ये समझाना सबको बहुत जरूरी है। किसी भी को भी कमजोर ना समझो। बोलो, कोई कमजोर है? हम सब कमजोर हैं। भैया कमजोर है। तो लेट्स कम यूनाइटेड, किसी को भी कमजोर ना समझो, किसी को भी बेचारा मत बोलो। हर आदमी सक्षम है, हर आदमी में कोई ताकत है, उस ताकत को उभारा जाए, निकाला जाए। दैट शुड बी द मोटो इन लाइफ। मेरा मोबाइल नंबर बोलूँ आपको? मेरा मोबाइल नंबर है।
Shall I tell sir the mobile number? Anil sir. Yeah, 10 minutes back, 5 minutes back sir has told me. Shall I tell that number? 9820402319. Thank you. He has become a 10,000 customer in my mind. Yeah, we are trying for Guinness record also. I need your encouragement and blessings. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. It is really an wonderful evening this evening to have our, let me pronounce properly your name, I think Baswaraj. Dear Baswaraj, really we are happy, we are very happy to have you with us. At the beginning of the program, I was a little bit confused. I said, where is he going with this number and double dip and double and double and remove and put and all these things. I was really confused. I said, what is going to happen? If he asks something to me, I will be lost. Anyhow, I realized that you can't see the world because you are blind.
तो हमने सोचा उससे पहले हम विमला सेंटर में इनका ऑनर कर देते हैं, ठीक है? एम्पल मिशन, इंडियन डेवलपमेंट फाउंडेशन, विमला डर्मेटोलॉजिकल सेंटर, तीनों मिलकर के बसवराज जी को आज शाम अवार्ड ऑफ एक्सेलेंस से ऑनर करने वाले हैं। रिक्वेस्टिंग डॉक्टर अनिल मुरारका, डॉक्टर कैप्टन बाला सर प्लीज।
अरे मोबाइल
आराम से फोटो ले लेंगे।
मोबाइल
We need to have the Air Chief, विंग कमांडर साहब।
यार कितना टाइम हो गया सर, आप साइड हटिए।
हाँ
भाई अरे बोलो सर।
कैप्टन सर इज कमिंग, प्लीज प्रोवाइड वे फॉर कैप्टन सर। कैप्टन सर प्लीज कम। सिस्टर बर्टीला, वेरी सिस्टर सर, आपके बगैर विंग कमांडर कैप्टन बालासुब्रमण्यन साहब, मैडम लता वेंकट, मैडम आइए कम।
थोड़ा पीछे नहीं मिल रहा है। पीछे आ जाओ पीछे। मैडम डन।
अनिल जी, आकर इतने साल आप मुंबई में रहे, अलग अलग शहरों में, अलग अलग कंट्री में जाकर रहे, लेकिन अपने देश की मिट्टी में ऐसी सुगंध कहीं ना कहीं अद्भुत
शायद बहुत छोटा वर्ड है, ये करिश्मा है, मतलब शब्दों की कमी है, मेरे पास अल्फाज नहीं है। एक आम आदमी हूँ मैं, क्या बोलूँगा इसके बारे में। इट्स समथिंग अनबिलीवेबल, आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। आज ये बोलना कि मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ, नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा। मैं वो ज़रिया हूँ सिर्फ, जो ऐसे हीरों को आगे लेके आ रहा है। कोशिश करता रहूँगा, कर रहा हूँ कैसे और ऐसे महारथियों को क्योंकि आज जैसे उन्होंने कहा अपने देश की मिट्टी, जो एक खुशबू है देश की मिट्टी की, वो यहाँ छलक के आती है। मैंने कहा शब्दों की कमी है, मेरे पास दिल से बोल रहा हूँ, शब्दों की मेरे पास बिल्कुल कमी है। आज मेरे पास अल्फाज नहीं है, मैं क्या बोलूँ। एक करिश्मा है, ये करिश्मा है।
एक समारोह आपने शुरू किया था हिंदुस्तानियों के लिए शूरवीर करके, जहाँ पे ऐसे शूरवीर दिखाए आपने हिंदुस्तान में। तो ऐसे टैलेंट के लिए कोई आपके दिमाग में कुछ आगे प्लान होगा ज़िंदगी में कि कुछ ऐसे के लिए टैलेंट भी कुछ दिखाना चाहिए?
तारिक जी, अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात कही है आपने। हम एक छोटा सा कार्य और करते हैं शूरवीर के अलावा, उसको हमने नाम दे रखा है भारत प्रेरणा अवार्ड्स। वो पिछले साल ही शुरू किया हमने, एक फर्स्ट एडिशन हुआ है, दूसरा एडिशन अब होने वाला है। उस एडिशन का काम ही यही है कि ऐसे जाबाजों को, ऐसे हीरो को हम ढूंढते हैं और उनको सरफेस पे लेके आते हैं, हमारी ड्यूटी समझकर कि हम वतन के सामने लेके आए ऐसे हीरोज़ को। ये पिछला साल था जो हमने पहला किया। कोशिश करूंगा, आज ये वादा करता हूँ कि ये खाली महाराष्ट्र तक नहीं, हर स्टेट में पहुँचूँ, ताकि हर स्टेट को हम जस्टिस दे सकें।
मेरे दोस्त, पहले तो आपको सलाम। आपके लिए मैं क्या कहूँ,
नमस्ते।
हाँ, मैं कुछ कह नहीं पाऊँगा, लेकिन एक ही चीज़ बोलूँगा, आपको सलाम करता हूँ। ये प्रेरणा आपको कहीं ना कहीं आपको अंदर में कभी फील नहीं हुआ कि आप में कुछ कमियां, या कब ये आपके गणित के दिमाग, आपका कंप्यूटर कब आपका बन गया था?
नहीं, क्योंकि अगर मुझे आई साइट रह देते तो इस टैलेंट मुझे नहीं आता। सो ब्लाइंडनेस मेरा स्ट्रेंथ और पावर है। सो आई हैड नेवर थॉट लाइक दैट आई डोंट हैव आई साइट, बट आई एम सीइंग दिस वर्ल्ड थ्रू फ्रॉम योर साइड। So this is my strength and power. I want to say this much only.
जब इवेंट चल रहा था तो अनिल जी आपका हाथ पकड़े हुए बैठे थे। आज अनिल जी का साथ मिला है, कल अमिताभ बच्चन आ रहे हैं।
Yeah, this
कहीं
is
ना
my
कहीं ये ख्वाब पूरा होता हुआ नजर आ रहा।
Yeah, this is my fortune to stay with them, and God has created this opportunity. And first of all, I want to tell thankful to them only because they only bringing me to give me an opportunity to hear. So I want to say thankful to all of you.
जब आप बात कर रहे हैं तो अनिल जी की आंखों में आंसू हैं। अनिल जी वो वेल विश्ड रिस्पॉन्स है, क्या क्या इमोशन अभी है?
अनिल सर बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ उनको to give a strength to him to achieve something like this more in their life. Yeah, we are trying for Guinness record also. Yeah, Shakuntala Devi has made that Guinness record. She did the 13 number multiplication, up 13 digit and down 13 digit. So we are also trying for that. And the second point is that in 1 minute I will tell 30 or 35 date of birth. So that's also we are going to record. And the next third point is that Daniel from America, he did 5,000 mobile numbers in Guinness record. So we are also so we know more than 10,000 mobile numbers, no? So we are also trying for that to break his more than 10,000. Yeah. So we are trying the 3 events.
It's 10,001 now.
Yes, 10,001 now.
सर जी, आपकी कमी के बारे में बात करें तो एक कमी नहीं है आपके लिए, एक तरह का एक प्लस पॉइंट है आपके लिए जो आपकी जी। तो आप जब आपको पता चला कि आपके अंदर ये कमी है तो आपने अपने आप को कॉप अप करने के लिए कि इस तरीके से का जो कमी है उसको मैं किस तरह से उसको एक अपना पॉजिटिव अपने ताकत
मोटिवेशन बहुत चाहिए, क्योंकि सो विदाउट कॉन्फिडेंस वी कैन डू एनीथिंग. So what I did initial stage, I will do meditation. So it has given me a boost and it has helped me to develop my confidence level, and also positive thinking is very important. Always I am thinking positive, I am not thinking negative. So if you think always positively, definitely you can overcome this.
आपने
क्या रही है? What is your
inspiration?
इंस्पिरेशन आपके लिए लाइफ में इंस्पिरेशन कौन रहा है?
What is your inspiration?
Yeah,
last time I told you, I got the inspiration from Shakuntala Devi. So she is a well-known mathematician. So she has eyesight and then she achieved it. But why I want to become like her? So she is my inspiration.
आपने अभी बीएड भी कंप्लीट किया, तो आगे के लिए क्या रणनीति है आपके लिए, आपने क्या करना चाहेंगे आगे?
Actually, recently we completed BEd, and the next year, in month of June, we are going to admit for MA admission also, and also we are trying for IAS and KS to give and to serve the society.
आप उन बच्चों के लिए क्या कहेंगे जो लाइक काफ़ी एग्ज़ाम के प्रेशर में ना हताश हो जाते हैं, एग्ज़ाम अपियर नहीं करना चाहते या फिर बहुत डिसअपॉइंट हो जाते हैं, उनके लिए आप क्या कहेंगे?
एग्ज़ाम के बारे में मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ। कल एग्ज़ाम है तो 2 और 3 दिन के पीछे कौन स्टडी करते हैं उनको फियर रहता है। सो एवरी डे वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन द टीचर लेसन एंड वी हैव टू लर्न एवरी डे, सो विल ओवरकम फ्रॉम एग्जामिनेशन।
अनिल जी, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे एजुकेशन को लेकर? आपने कई सारे इनिशिएटिव लिए हैं, इनकी सोच के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो अपनी कमियों को नकारते हुए इस तरह की एजुकेशन में आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, एमएड के लिए भी कर रहे हैं, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
जी, एजुकेशन में पहले भी कहा है, आज फिर कहूँगा, मैं बच्चों को दोष देता ही नहीं हूँ। ये माँ बाप की गलती है। माँ बाप को समझना ज़रूरी है कि हर बच्चे में एक स्पार्क होता है। ज़रूरी नहीं कि हर बच्चा पढ़ाई लिखाई में आगे बढ़े, उसमें जो एक टैलेंट है उस चीज़ को उभारना चाहिए। इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि पढ़ाई लिखाई ज़रूरी नहीं है, पढ़ाई लिखाई आप करवाइए, पक्का करवाइए, लेकिन उसको इतना प्रेशर मत दीजिए ये बोल के कि भाई देखिए उस बच्चे ने ऐसा किया, तूने क्यों नहीं किया। बिल्कुल गलती सिर्फ माँ बाप की है। माँ बाप को एजुकेट करना अपने आप को ज़रूरी है कि वो बच्चों को प्रेशर ना दें और उनको आगे बढ़ने दें, उनके हिसाब से बढ़ने दें।
थैंक यू
सो मच।
एक सेकंड। थैंक यू।